We begin this evening with a primetime news follow-up. The police say they have nabbed the suspect involved in the brutal murder of 8-year-old Galen Buchanan, who was found with his hands bound in the Kingston Harbor. We have details from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
There was condemnation and anger on Thursday as word spread about the brutal end meted out to little Galen Buchanan. A manhunt was swiftly launched for the man who was last seen with the 8-year-old. And less than 2 days later, the police reported a breakthrough. The suspect was arrested in Falmouth, Trelawney this afternoon and is now in police custody. Head of the St. Andrews South Police Division, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, gave our news centre an update on Saturday afternoon.
Well, you are aware that we have been making significant progress in trying to find who we call a criminal suspect, the stepfather of this 8-year-old Galen Buchanan. And at this moment, we have a man in custody at the Falmouth police station. He was held there not so long ago, who we believe is the stepfather, and we're starting a team as we speak from my station to go and get him. One Mr. Orchard Road, OC Phil.
Superintendent Cameron says an investigation has been launched into claims by Galen's family that the police failed to act quickly enough after they filed a missing person report.
I am looking into the complaints that have been made by family members in terms of the police not acting swiftly and quickly. Those complaints I am documenting, and I'll be speaking with my staff to see where or if there were factually any breakdown. This, of course, will be reported to the Commissioner if that is the case.
Galen's body was found in the Kingston Harbor in the vicinity of Bournemouth Gardens on Thursday, days after he was reported missing. The boy, who was a student of the Seaview Gardens Primary School in St. Andrew, was last seen in the company of the suspect. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.